Sahod itaas, presyo ibaba. Sarap, no? Sarap sana nun, no? Well, it's possible, guys, no? It's possible na mangyari, but it would need um, multifactorial and multisectorial, no, na contribution para mangyari yan. But it's possible, no? But normally, pagka hindi nagagawa ng tama, and historically speaking, hindi nga nagagawa ng tama, yung sahod itaas na yan, nagiging additional reason yan kung bakit yung presyo tumataas. Because what you guys need to understand, no, and many of you may not understand because you're not entrepreneurs, you're not employers, no, yung pagtaas ng sweldo or ng sahod is a business cost. And anything that affects business costs, no, yung nag-i-increase ng business costs, would inevitably affect yung mga presyo na binebenta ng mga negosyo, di ba? So if it's not done right, no, if tinaas lang yung sahod and walang actual support from other sectors and other like the government, etc., then hindi mangyayari yung sahod itaas, presyo ibaba. So malamang mangyayari, pag tinaas ang sahod, mindlessly, without any support, tataas din ang presyo. That's basically what we call inflation. Okay?